we are in Cheyenne, Wyoming, enjoying a continental breakfast. And we're about to take off. It's Wednesday morning. We're going to head towards Nebraska. Through Nebraska.
Through Nebraska. Either to Omaha or Des Moines, don't know yet.
So...
Continental breakfast time! Continental breakfast time! Hey! Hey! Continental breakfast time! Continental breakfast time! Hey! Hey! Continental breakfast time! Continental breakfast time! Hey! 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 Continental breakfast time! Continental breakfast time! Hey! Hey! You better eat before it gets cold.
What gets cold? It's continental breakfast.
The
Goes
bagel.
the bagel. Bagel with butter. Inhaler. Raisin bran. Muffin. Orange juice. Yogurt. Hot cocoa. All the deliciousness of $0 and 0 cents.
Okay, here we are. We left Cheyenne after some drama. Now we're in Nebraska. The drama in Cheyenne was first our MP3 player decided not to work anymore. Just bought it yesterday, so it doesn't work. And then we got maybe 10 minutes out of Cheyenne, and all of a sudden we heard this sound. It sounded like...
Kind of like that, yeah. And while I was just hoping that I passed wind, that's not what happened.
Nope.
Flat tire.
Yep. So we had to call Thingy, roadside assistance, and then they sent out somebody and they fixed the tire, and then we were on our way.
Yeah, basically it was only a 1 hour setback, so...
Yep. So we still got about 9 hours of driving ahead of us today, so... Nebraska.
That's some hard driving.
Okay, we're going through Nebraska, and then there's this thing that's gigantic, and we don't know what it is. And it's gigantic.
It's gigantic and it has giant metal birds on top.
Too sweet. It's the Great Flat River Road Archway Monument.
Wow. That is pretty sweet.
That is pretty sweet. Those aren't just, wow, those are Pegasus dice, not just big giant birds. Huh.
That is really cool.
And here we are driving across Nebraska.